She's such a consistent competitor. Always in fabulous
Our next
condition.
competitor,
Gets in the
Larissa
chin.
Rice.
Absolutely.
Okay, next, Larissa Rice. She was in the second call-up this morning.
Originally from Brazil.
And really has an amazing look, in my opinion. Very exotic. She's got tons of
She got a
sex appeal.
degree in tourism.
Strong.
And her inspiration, and this is very cool, considering that competitor number one is her inspiration. As she began a fitness career, she had a poster of Monica Brandt up in her room because the sport of fitness is. She was the first figure competitor from Brazil to take first place in a pro show, and that was last year's Atlantic City. She took 12th place in last year's Olympia. And for the Brazil edition, she was a playmate.
That's where she gets all that sex appeal.
Ladies and gentlemen, Larissa Rice.
She's got a beautiful long
Here comes Chrissy
Yeah.
Chin.
She looks excellent. Definitely going to be top 10 this season.